Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
The Valsalva maneuver stops hiccups by increasing chest pressure and stimulating the vagus nerve. Holding your breath and bearing down helps reset your diaphragm's rhythm, stopping those annoying spasms. It's a fast, simple trick to interrupt hiccups and get your breathing back to normal.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.